Mastering plural possession with my. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore an essential element of English grammar, the use of my in plural possession. We often use my to indicate that we own or possess something. But what happens when we're talking about more than one item? That's what we'll be unpacking today. Remember, understanding my in plural possession is key to perfecting your English. My is a possessive determiner in English. It's used to show something belongs to the speaker. For instance, when we say, "This is my book," we mean the book belongs to us. But how does my function when we're referring to multiple things? Well, that's where plural possession comes into play. The possessive determiner, my, remains the same even when it refers to multiple items. When talking about multiple items that belong to us, we use my in the same way as we would for a single item. The word that follows, my, however, is what changes to indicate plurality. So, for one book, we say, my book, and for multiple books, we say, my books. Simple, right? Just remember that my does not change to indicate plurality. It's the noun that changes. Let's look at some examples. These are my shoes. These are my dogs. These are my glasses. In each sentence, my is showing possession of more than one item, which is why the noun that follows, my, is plural. Now, let's practice using my in the context of plural possession. Try to use my to talk about more than one object that belongs to you. It could be anything, from my books, to my cars, to my ideas. Remember, the key is to keep my the same and only change the noun to make it plural. And that's it. That's how you use my in the context of plural possession. Remember, my remains the same whether it's one item or many. It's the noun that changes to indicate plurality. We hope this lesson has been helpful. Keep practicing and you'll master the usage of my in plural possession in no time. Until next time, keep exploring English and unlocking new linguistic skills.